Alright, so this video is going to be how to change the darkness on the video rendering. This video looks very dark on its
I will be
own.
your commentator tonight.
Come sit on my lap, daddy.
As you can see, compared to the original, it's really bad. Okay, so what you have to do is when you're ready to render your whole video, for instance, we'll go right back to the beginning.
I will be your commentator
This is
tonight.
very dark.
Come sit on my lap, daddy.
That's not what we want. Go to File, Properties, and you see this pixel format right here for whatever you got going on. Yeah, you just have to change that to 32-bit floating point video levels. The video, not the full range, the video. Apply. You can see that got a lot brighter. And there you go. You're ready to render as render. And when you render the second time,
tonight.
Come sit on my lap, daddy.
There'll be more drinking streams. Don't worry about it.
there you go.